Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is KK Necessary. Yes, I just did that. My name is KK Necessary, and if you're new to my channel, hi, how you doing? Comment that below. How you doing? And if you are a subscriber or you are a frequent visitor of my channel, it's time for you to subscribe. You know, it's free. Subscribe to my channel now, please. Thank you. And today we're doing a Valentine's Day look. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, I don't know what's up with me and this singing thing, but yeah, happy Valentine's Day, guys. I hope your day is filled with love. Even if you're a single person, your day can be filled with love. Come on, we know this by now. Everyone is loved, so have a love filled day while I show y'all a grunge makeup look for those who aren't feeling that in love but still want to be a part. Yes, this makeup look is for you, and it is also for the persons that are in love but like to be different, you know, because it's a different look from the rest than the average just go pink or red look. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I stated before, it is kind of unorganized because I went through a lot to get this video made, but hey, it's here now. This is it. You can go ahead and watch it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
I think you might hear that siren in the background, and I'm going to do what Annie Dre normally do. Ring the alarm. I've been doing this, but I'll be damn if I see another chick in your arm. I say, ring the alarm. I've been doing this, but I'll be damn if I see another. Who was Annie Dre? She's fun. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Yes, this little look. I don't know what's going on with the hair right now, but it's getting a bit puffy because I've been playing in it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the look, and thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Happy Valentine's Day as well. I did say it in the beginning, but yes, happy Valentine's Day, guys.